We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not showing emails in your inbox. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as it may mean you go and miss certain emails and you can't go and find certain ones. But we've got a couple of different fixes you can try. First of all, press the back button in the top left and just make sure you are looking in the correct inbox. If you've got multiple emails, you can then go and look in their different inboxes and even view them all at the top. However, if that doesn't solve it, come out of your Mail app and you need to go and open up the iPhone settings app. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps, and you then need to go down to M and you need to go and find Mail. In Mail, tap on Mail Accounts and then find the account you're having a problem with and go and tap on it. And you can go down and tap on Delete Account. You aren't fully deleting it, you're just deleting it from your iPhone. So press that there. Once you've removed and deleted it, come back here and tap on Add Account. And what you want to do is add it again. This can often go and solve the problem. So let's do it. I've signed in and Mail is switched on and we can then tap Save. Now that you've added it again, you want to return to the Mail app. It may go and take a moment for it to go and load all of your emails, but hopefully now they'll be showing in your inbox.